peaceful for heeding to our call of peace, for heeding to our call of calmness, for heeding to our call of making sure that we protect our vote in terms of the law and in terms of the Constitution. You have been provoked. Our leaders have been subjected to persecution and harassment, but you have not succumbed to that temptation. You have resisted the temptation to throw the country into anarchy. You have refused to be cowed into submission. You have refused to be partners and co-partners in causing instability in this country. Merchants of violence, merchants of darkness have been romping and wreaking havoc, but you have refused to help them and give them a helping hand. I must say, thank you, Zimbabwe, for being peaceful. We will continue to be peaceful, and we will continue to have confidence, not just in you as Zimbabweans, but also in the assurances that we have received from our legal team, which is, like I said, an A team. We do not expect to get anything less. The assurances are as good as gold, and I have no doubt that victory is certain, and change is coming. I know that the nation is desperate for change. Change is coming, and change will come. There can never be change with those who fight change, like Mr. Mnangagwa. There can never be change with those who do not believe in change, like those in ZANU-PF. So we have no doubt that victory is coming, and of course we also want to debunk the myth that Mnangagwa and his party got the 2/3 majority. They did not. We are challenging most of those results, so they do not have a 2/3. They know that they engineered and rigged the elections in certain constituencies in a brazen fashion, in a very flagrant manner. And for that reason, we are challenging a number of constituencies. We are going to give you the total number, but they do not have a 2/3 majority. They did not win the parliamentary election. Even in the rural areas where they've claimed that they won, they did not. They were given victory, which they did not deserve. And whoever gave them, this is what we seek.